Good morning. Today is June 15th. Welcome to another E-Waves walkthrough. My name is Dave. Let's take a look at KRE, a recent E-Waves flash recommendation. KRE is the KBW Regional Bank Stock ETF. And let's look at the count and talk about some things. Note that from a low in March of 2009, in KRE, E-Waves is labeling waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave A of what it thinks is ultimately going to be a zigzag. This is cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice 5 waves down for wave A, B, C. 3 waves for wave B. Remember, wave Bs are always 3-wave structures. They are never 5s. Wave C down to finish wave B of the zigzag. And now E-Waves says that wave C, red wave C, of the zigzag is in progress. What is this D up here, you may wonder? And that is E-Waves notation for an ending diagonal. The D represents wave 1 of the ending diagonal. So what E-Waves is anticipating next is a sharp decline in wave 2 of the diagonal, and then ultimately followed by waves 3, 4, 5 to finish wave C. But remember, something new happens in the market every day. That count could change. I talked before about channeling and Elliott's guideline there, and this, here we go, is a good example. So what Elliott said, as far as channeling is a process, and what Elliott said that is the initial channel that you draw, aside from the baseline channel, is connecting points wave 1 and 3, and then drawing a parallel off of wave 2 as an estimate for where wave 4 will end. And as you can see from me just drawing with this, that wasn't a great estimate in this case. What Elliott also said is that once wave 4 is complete, connect points 2 and 4 and draw a parallel off 3 as an estimate. Let's try that again. Connect waves, the terminal points of wave 2 and 4, and draw a parallel off the end of wave 3 as an estimate for where wave 5 would terminate. And in this case, notwithstanding that that's my estimate of what a parallel line looks like to this initial line here, that was pretty spot on. The other key when you're looking to there are various ways to measure where wave 5 is. If wave 3 is the longest, wave 5 tends toward equality with wave 1. That's one measurement. Take a look at wave 5 as 0.618 of the net travel of waves 1 through 3. That's another measurement. But the most important thing is that you're able to count 5 waves. Structure is tantamount to everything else. The most important thing is that you're able to count completed 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within that structure. That it hits this trend line is an indication that you should pay attention because something might be ending there. Could it just be wave 1 of 5? Absolutely. It's not a perfect world. We're trying to forecast the future. We don't know, but it's worth paying attention. So let's go back to the other chart. Here we go. Let's zoom in a little bit closer here. Now we're looking at the internals of wave C. So remember, wave 1 of a diagonal triangle is going to be a 3-wave structure. E-Waves is labeling it A, B, C, W, A, B, C, X. And then another 5 waves up for A, B, wave C, finishing another zigzag wave Y for the first leg of the diagonal. From that point, E-Waves is looking for a wave 2. It looks like we're starting off with a zigzag here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I think I can zoom in on that. Can we zoom in one more time? Sure, why not? So this is that end of wave 1 of the diagonal up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A. W, X, Y for B. And then subdividing wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 of a smaller degree, wave 2 of a smaller degree to the downside for wave C of 2. It's a bearish count. We'll see how it plays out. You may get to see it again one way or another. Thanks for listening. If you get a chance, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about the Elliott Wave Principle, click on the link below. Thanks.